Hello, friends! The Very Busy Spider, read by Mr. Jessup. Early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field. A thin, silky thread trailed from her body. The spider landed on a fence post near a farmyard and began to spin a web with her silky thread. Said the horse, "Want to go for a ride?" Say it with me. What does a horse say? Neigh! Neigh! The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Said the cow, "Want to eat some grass?" Say it with me. What does a cow say? Moo! Moo! The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Bleated the sheep. "Want to run in the meadows?" Say it with me. What does a sheep say? Ba! Ba! The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Said the goat, "Want to jump on the rocks?" Say it with me. What does a goat say? Ma! Ma! The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Grunted the pig. "Want to roll in the mud?" Say it with me. What does a pig say? Oink, oink. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Barked the dog. "Want to chase a cat?" Say it with me. What does a dog say? Woof, woof. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Cried the cat, "Want to take a nap?" Say it with me. What does a cat say? Meow, meow. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Called the duck, "Want to go for a swim?" Say it with me. What does a duck say? Quack, quack. The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Crowed the rooster, "Want to catch a pesky fly?" Say it with me. What does a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! And the spider caught the fly in her web, just like that. Asked the owl, "Who built this beautiful web?" The spider didn't answer. She had fallen asleep. It had been a very, very busy day. Say it with me. What sound does an owl make? Hoo, hoo. That's right. Thank you for reading along to the story, The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle. And thank you so much for all your great animal sounds. We'll see you next time.